Today we'll be doing a RAM upgrade for a Lenovo T430s. This is a T430s 2353 NWU. It comes stock with an i7-3520M 2.9 gigahertz processor, and it comes with a stock 4 gigabytes of 1600 megahertz PC3 12800 DD3 RAM. So the first thing we do, obviously, is to remove any power source, which is here. Just pop it right out. I'm using a Phillips 20 millimeter screwdriver. All you need to do really is to remove these two screws here. I've already loosened them, so we'll just go ahead and pull that off there. The big difference between the T430s and the T430 is the location of the memory slots. These computers come with one memory slot with one 4 gigabyte stick already inserted with an extra memory slot available to you for a maximum of 16 gigabytes of RAM. The difference is with the T430 and the T430s. The T430 has the second memory slot on the underside of the keyboard, whereas the T430s places in a very convenient place, which sometimes causes a little bit of confusion. That second slot is right here, right above the first stick. Let me show you. So we'll pop out the old memory stick. Pull that right out. I've got two crucial 8 gigabyte matching RAM sticks. So we'll just put that in here. There's the first one. Make sure you come in firm with the right angle and just pop it right in there. And the second one goes right on top. Right there. Just pop it right in there. You now have upgraded RAM. Put this back. Screw it in. Replace the battery. And you are all set.